Hello everyone and welcome to our another tutorial. Today it will be about how to delete your LinkedIn account effectively. My name is Marie, I am the founder and CEO of Marie Olivier Ltd, and let's jump into how to delete your profile effectively. So first you land on your profile and here you click on the me, you then go to the settings and the privacy, and when you scroll down there, here you have the options to either hibernate your account, which means that it will be like paused, or you can also close your account completely. If you click on hibernate, then you will here see also what does it mean, and then you click on the hibernate. This is one of the options that you have, and you can also then resume it again whenever you are ready to come back. It will just be on hold or paused. When it comes to the deleting, you will choose this one, close your account. Again, there will be this beautiful message popping up to see that like if you really want to continue with that, and then you just continue if you want to completely close it. However, it's really important to bear in mind that LinkedIn will usually delete most of the data, at least within the first 30 days, so the content posts and profile pictures will be permanently deleted. Same with the endorsements and group memberships, so definitely consider that before hitting this close account, and after 30 days all user data gets deleted. If you choose to come back to LinkedIn, you will need to create an entirely new account. So definitely something you want to consider if you want to really do this. So this was just a really efficient tutorial on how to hibernate and delete your LinkedIn account. So if you like these kind of tutorials, then hit follow on my LinkedIn page. I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So I would definitely not recommend you to close LinkedIn account, but you might have your reasons for that. In case that you want to know more about tutorials, articles, etc., then you can go to my website, which is marieolivier.com, and click on the articles. And here you can find not only written text, but also videos. So I will see you next time. Bye.